I used to spend hours every week mowing my lawn, hot sun, sweat, and let's be real, a total waste of time. But not anymore. Meet the Anthbot Genie, the smartest robotic mower that keeps my lawn perfect while I do, well, literally anything else. I was surprised at how easy the setup is. No wires, no complicated installation. Seriously, it's just 3 simple steps and boom, Genie is ready to mow. If you can use a smartphone, you can set this up. Now here's where Genie really impressed me. Unlike those random moving mowers, this one actually thinks. Using RTK plus AI vision, it learns my yard, every curve, every corner, so it knows exactly where to mow. And the best part, it still works under trees and near fences where GPS usually fails. You ever notice how old school robotic mowers just wander aimlessly? Not this one. Genie follows a smart U-shaped mowing path so it covers every inch efficiently, no weird missed patches, no wasted battery. Let's talk about safety because that's a big deal. Genie is packed with AI-powered obstacle avoidance, and here's what I love, it actually avoids things. Whether it's my dog, kids' toys, or even that garden hose I forgot to move, Genie sees obstacles and steers clear. No more unexpected lawn disasters. Want that golf course look or a longer, lusher cut? With adjustable mowing height from 30 to 70 millimeters, I can tweak it exactly how I like it. And get this, I don't even have to be home to run it. With the Anthbot app, I can set mowing schedules, adjust zones, and even block off areas for flower beds or the kids' play area. It's lawn care on autopilot, battery running low. No worries, Genie automatically heads back to charge and resumes right where it left off. I haven't touched my mower in weeks. No interruptions, no manual intervention, just smooth, continuous mowing. I never thought I'd be this excited about a lawnmower, but here we are. For $999, Genie saves me hours every week, keeps my lawn looking perfect, and does it all without me lifting a finger. Want to ditch lawn chores for good? Click the link in the description and get yours today.